said it had a glue hole.
Yeah, it is.
Does it have a perforated part? Does it have a perforated part you can tear along? Yeah, it's right, but you're tearing in the wrong spot. There you go. What's in there, Dylan? How is that going to solve your shirtlessness?
Because it's a shirt.
It's a shirt? Oh my goodness, let me see. What shirt is it? What is that? Oh, I know that logo. I know that logo.
Let's take out the sticker.
Ooh, let's see what it is. What is it? What is it? I'm so excited.
Can you tell them what?
I'm so
Let them
excited.
guess. Let them guess and tell them the comments.
Okay.
What they think it is. No cheating.
No cheating.
Yeah, no commenting on our Instagram after you saw it.
Okay.
What do you think it is?
If you said Preston Styles, you are right. Let's open it up. Just pull.
I don't want to rip.
It's okay. It's tissue paper. There's no way you're getting the sticker off tissue paper without ripping it. Trust me.
Okay, but I'm.
Oh, look. You don't even have to. It's not even taped shut. Look at that.
Guess what it is? La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yay!
Original flame tea.
Oh, are you glad you got the original?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, I didn't know it was gonna be big. I think it might be just a little big on me.
It'll be a little big, but
But not as big as my
is your Share the Love shirt, right?
Remember that one, guys?
You put your head in first. There we go. Yay! Now you've got a shirt. Stand up. Let's see it.
It's even signed.
Cool. Yeah. Oh, look.
Look down
Yay.
here. Look down here.
Oh, yeah. It says Preston. Cool. Next package. What have we got?
The last package.
Okay.
Then what we have.
Yeah, that's good enough like that. Oh, okay, wait.
My Share Love shirt.
Woohoo!
Whoa.
Whoa! Share the love! All right. You want to put this on over your sweatshirt? Huh, where'd Dylan go? He disappeared. There's no Dylan. Anyway, leave in the comments below. Oh, there he is. Son? I don't have a son. I don't know what you're talking about. A kid?
Yeah.
Oh, I do have a kid. Silly me. I forgot for a minute. Wait, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't have a kid. I just have like this hairy patch growing out of my shoulder right here that I never quite know what to do about. This little hairy patch on my back. It's a little hairy thing there.
Have a kid.
Oh, I do? Oh, there you are. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Get the ball, get the ball.
Look at my shirt. Share the love.
Yep, shout out to the sharers. Okay. Whoa! Whoa!
9 to 3.
9-3. Okay, hit the goal.
Try and get it.
There's the tree.
10.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toy Boy Dylan.